Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha videos. In this video we are going to learn what are even and odd numbers, definition of even and odd numbers and examples of even and odd numbers. So first we'll go through even numbers. Let me take one example. Here I took some apples, 2 apples, 4 apples, 6 apples and 8 apples, and last is here 10 apples. So here I set these apples in such a way that in each pair there are 2 apples. Okay, in each set. Here in this set you have 2 apples, in this set you have 2 apples, so 2 plus 2 is 4 apples. Here I set 3 sets. In each set you have 2 apples. Okay, so here also in each set 2 apples means if you divide 8 with 2 you'll get 4 sets. So here is your 4 sets. In each set you have 2 apples. In the same way you have here 10 apples. In each set 2 apples means 10 by 2 is 5. So there are 5 sets. Okay, so here if you observe carefully, these apples are arranged or grouped in such a way that no apple is left behind. There is no apple which is left over. Okay, let me take suppose 5 apples are there. Okay, so here it is here 1 apple, here 2, okay, here 3, 4, and there is 1 apple left behind. Okay, so here when I am pairing this, if one more apple is left behind, then this number is not an even number. Okay, so even numbers means when you are grouping them, they should be evenly distributed. This is 2 means this should be also 2. Okay, here 2, 2, 2. I can group them like this also, 3 here and 3 here. Okay, if you are distributing them in such a way, 3 apples in one set and 3 apples in one more set means they are distributed equally. When they are distributed equally, then this number is an even number. Okay, here also I can distribute like this, 4 in one set and 4 in another set. Okay, so they are distributed evenly you can say, or they are distributed equally you can say. If they are distributed in such a way, then this number is an even number, means there should not be anything left behind. If any apple or anything left behind, then that number is not an even number. Okay, so let me go to the definition of this. So here is your definition of even numbers. Even numbers are the numbers which are exactly divisible by 2. Which are exactly divisible by 2 means, suppose let me take one example, 5. Okay, or some 15. Okay, 15 when you divide by 2, you will get 2 sevens 14 and you are getting remainder as 1. If there is remainder 1, then it is not exactly divisible by 2, right? This 15 is not exactly divisible by 2. When you will say that it is exactly divisible by 2 when the remainder is 0. Okay, so when you divide a number with 2, you should get a remainder 0. Such type of numbers are called as even numbers. Okay, or I can also state this as, if you go through the divisibility rules of 2, divisibility rules we have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, everything, right? For everything. So when you go to the divisibility rule of 2, you have a number which is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then such type of number is called an even number. Means suppose I am taking 68 as an example. Okay, I can 6, 8, 4, 3 like this, 6, 8, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so I cannot sit and do this number division with 2, right? By seeing the number itself, you can tell whether it is an even or odd number by its units digit. Okay, if this units digit is from this set, then it is an even number. Means this units digit should be 0 or it may be 2, 4, 6 or 8. If this units digit is from this set, then such type of numbers are called as even numbers. Okay, simple. Any number you can take 6, 1, 7, 6, 5, 3 like this. Okay, so you should see the units digit. If this units digit is from this set, then it is an even number. But this 3 is not in this set, so this number is not an even number. Okay, so no need to buttify these things. Anyhow, everyone know 2 table, right? So 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10. So here we are seeing only the units digit. So this units digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. For any number you take, if the units digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then such type of numbers are even numbers. Okay, so here 30, I should see the units digit. It is 0, so 0 is present in this set, so it is an even number. Here 42, the units digit is 2, so it is there in this set. Here 4, it is there in this set. Here 6, so it is there in the set. And here last digit is 8, so it is also present in this set. So these numbers are all even numbers. So simple children, just see the units digit of any number, any given number. If that units digit is from this set 0 to 468, then that number is an even number. Okay, so even opposite is odd. Okay, the complete opposite rules of even numbers will be your odd numbers. Okay, so let us go to the odd numbers then. Let us discuss odd numbers. Let me take one example. Ice creams. Okay, our favorite, right? So here I took one ice cream, 3 and 5 ice creams, 7 as well as 9 ice creams. Sorry. Okay, so if you observe carefully, here I put 2 ice creams in one set. There is only one ice cream in another set, means they are not equally distributed. So this number is an odd number. Okay, so when you see here also, these two are equally distributed, but this is not equally distributed, so this number is an odd number. Okay, means if they are not equally distributed, here these three are equally distributed, but this set is not distributed equally, so this 7 is also an odd number. Means when you are pairing them, they should be equally distributed. The number of ice creams in each set should be equally distributed. Then only this number will be an odd number. Okay, so let us go to the definition of these odd numbers. Simple, just like an opposite to even numbers. So we discussed what are even numbers. So if you write opposite to even numbers, you'll get the odd numbers. Simple children, just listen this. We told that even numbers are the numbers which are exactly divisible by 2. So opposite to this one, we can say they are not exactly divisible by 2. Means here it is giving remainder 0. When a number is divided with 2, it should give remainder 0. In the same way, when you divide a number with 2, it should not give remainder 0. When it is not giving remainder 0, then such type of numbers are odd numbers. Okay, and as a statement we gave that by seeing a number, if its units digit is 0 to 468, then such type of numbers are even numbers. So opposite to this one is when a number is ending with other than 0 to 468, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are other than 0 to 468, right? Just we are telling the units digit means only single digit should be there. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So other than 0 to 468, if a number is ending with other than 0 to 468, then they are odd numbers. Okay, so let me go through the statements. Odd numbers are the numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2, or you can write like they are not ending with 0 to 468, or they are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so here I gave some examples. The units digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So such type of numbers are odd numbers. If I ask you to count the numbers, you'll start from 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, so here I took some counting numbers The counting numbers are also called as natural numbers, which we are using naturally, which we generally use for counting, so they are called as natural numbers. Okay, here these alternate numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they are all odd. Okay, numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd. Other than these odd, I can say them as even numbers. Okay, so simple. I gave like pink color numbers in pink are odd and the numbers in black are even. Okay, so if you group them, even and odd numbers, those are the numbers which we are using for counting. So I can say that whatever numbers we are using, they are grouped into odd numbers and even numbers. So I hope you understood this video. What are even and odd? How to differentiate between even and odd numbers? So if you understand, please share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.